Global warming. Sea levels rising. Species disappearing. Climate change is the biggest challenge we've ever faced. But with great challenge comes great opportunity. Actually, the biggest climate risk is not seeing the opportunities, the new ideas, the business models based on net zero carbon emissions, the companies innovating to sustain and repair the planet. At Robeco, we see the search for sustainable solutions as a driver of change and innovation. All around us, products and services are being introduced based on sustainable thinking. The pace of these developments is accelerating as the message finally sets in. To save the planet, we need to change. It's our responsibility to act now, to meet the needs of the present generation without compromising those of generations to come. Climate risk is real, but if we open our eyes to the opportunities that change offers, we can still turn the tide. Robeco, the investment engineers.